Another fireplace? This ought to be interesting. Okay, hey guys. So, if you are subscribed to our Instagram channel, you already know what this is all about. We have talked to RVers in the past, and also talked to message boards and things about our fireplace. We kind of felt like the fireplace wasn't producing a lot of heat. Even for this small living room area, we felt like it should warm it really quickly and it should stay warm, but it doesn't seem to do that. So I had reached out to Grand Design a couple months back and asked them, or let them know that we just didn't think it was heating like we thought it should. We've had reports from RVers saying that theirs virtually heats the entire RV, which this doesn't come close to doing, but we didn't expect it to heat the entire RV, but just mainly this living area, which it wasn't doing a good job of. So reached out to Grand Design and asked them if, this is normal, what's going on, can we get a replacement possibly. That was a couple months back, and we didn't hear back from them until today. All of a sudden, we get the UPS guy in today with this nice little box. And as you can see, it's a Furrion 26-inch curved glass fireplace replacement. So this is actually a different model, I guess, than the one that we currently have, which is an Everlight. So I don't know if maybe they had some problems with the Everlights and that's why they sent us the Furrion version. But I'm going to attempt to do the install and bring you guys along with me and see if this is fairly easy to do or not. Hopefully it is. Hopefully it's a plug-and-play item, and hopefully I don't have to do too much or any wiring at all. I do have some concerns about wiring because when I look at the back of this little package, it shows you wiring it in to the RV and into your batteries. So I'm hoping that really there's a plug on the back of here, and I can unplug this one and plug this one right in and screw it in place and we're good to go. We shall see. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me. Hopefully you can learn from whatever mistakes I make, but we'll see what happens. Here we go. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is try to get off this decorative, I guess, aluminum or metal piece here that probably hides the screws that I need to get to unscrew this and remove it. So that's what I'm going to work on now. I'm probably going to take out this drawer and open up these doors here, which should give me access to the sides here. So let's do that right now. Okay, that was fairly easy. Okay, so what we have is, it looks like it's held in by 4 screws, here and here, and then also here and here. So we're going to take those screws out and see if it comes out fairly easy. Okay. Right, so we were able to get it out fairly easy. There is a plug down here that they're using to plug this in with. And obviously this has its own plug, so there's no wiring from this one. Hopefully that's going to be the same thing for this one. So let's get that unboxed and see what the plug looks like and see what else we got to do to get this installed. Okay, so here's the new unit. Luckily, it looks like it may be a plug and play with an option to use your batteries if you wanted to, but we have just 2 batteries, and I seriously doubt that it would probably run this for very long at all, so we're not even going to worry about plugging that into the batteries. This looks like it's removable, so I'll take that out, and we'll just use the plug option. Let's see what happens. Just in case you want to know, here's the plug for wiring it into your batteries, I'm assuming. So it doesn't actually look like the holes are going to line up with the original holes, so we're going to have to drill into the wood, which is fine. That'll make it a more secure connection. But I just got to make sure I get it lined up properly, and then I'll start screwing the screws in. Okay, let's see what happens. If we can do this right. Probably should turn it on before I actually put the screws in, just to make sure it actually turns on, right? That's hot. I think that's going to be quite a difference. Woo. It actually sounds louder too than the other one, which one of the reasons why we thought that it wasn't pumping out a lot of heat was because the fan wasn't blowing hard enough. So I think this is going to solve our issue. Let's turn this off. It's getting hot. This takes 6 screws to hold it in, which the other one had 4. And we put the facing back on here. That's about it. Well, seems to work a lot better just from the quick test that I did. Hopefully this will be a much better producer of heat than the old Everlight one was. This is a Furrion one, so we'll see how it does. We'll try to keep you updated on how this works. It says right here that it's for up to 500 square feet of area, which the whole RV is not even close to 500 square feet, so hopefully this will do a lot better. So thanks Grand Design for sending this to us. We had thought you forgot about us for a second, but what a nice surprise to get this in today. We actually just closed on our house. I'm sorry, we didn't close on the house, we just accepted an offer on the house today, or actually a couple days ago, so this came just in time. If it had come, I don't know, a little less than a month later, somebody else would have gotten this, and that would have not been good. So thanks Grand Design for sending this to us. They did it, no questions asked, and I'm pretty sure that we're not even in a warranty, so we really appreciate it, and we're going to give this a try, and hopefully this works out great. We'll keep you guys updated, but remember to like, subscribe, and also make a comment down below if you have any questions. Hopefully this is going to work great for us, and we'll see you in the next video.